Welcome back to our new friends. Today we are going to talk about AppLock setting in Redmi 10 phone. Today I'm going to tell about how can you own AppLock in Redmi 10 phone, and guys how to use it and how can you set pattern in Redmi 10 phone. Today we are going to talk about in this video. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, then like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your phone setting. After that guys, you will have to come on apps. Then guys click on AppLock setting. You can see here guys, after that you can see the turn option, so we will click here. Draw your pattern friends, set any pattern guys. After that it will connect, otherwise not. Okay, not now. You can sign it also guys. So I now use AppLock. Example for guys, I am taking YouTube. So guys, as you've seen that, I hope guys you have understood how to start AppLock in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.